Bitcoin is getting right now a short-term bounce, but we have lost here key support levels. And now the obvious question is, will Bitcoin go lower here? Will we hit a certain resistance levels and get rejected from there and go back to the downside? So that is what I want to show you today. So, and guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel and you haven't taken advantage yet of the $4,600 bonus that you get absolutely for free as an experienced trader on BYBIT with my specific link, click here right now to claim your bonus, or on Phemex $4,100 also with my specific link here under the video. So now let's get you directly in today's content. So what we have seen here now since yesterday was that Bitcoin has tried to get here above $43,000, but got from here again heavily rejected and moved here to the downside. So, and here on the daily chart has then found on the bottom of this support level at $39,000 support, and got now today a short-term bounce here back to the upside. So, and now I know a lot of you guys want to know, is that the final bounce that we need here to continue to move here to the upside, or we will lose this support level and fall here way lower beneath the $39,000, $37,000, $35,000 level. So for this, I want to have a quick look here in the 4-hourly chart. So because there we get some hints where we might go here. So if that is just a cat, or with a rejection further to the downside, so, or if that will be a V-shaped recovery, so with a further move to the upside. So first of all, I want to point out that we have lost our divergence, our bullish divergence here on the 4-hourly chart, because we have broken under this upward sloping support on the RSI, so which invalidates this bullish divergence that we had. So because, as we can see, we can not extend this here any longer, because we have not a higher low trajectory anymore. We created here now a lower low. So, and for that reason the divergence is invalidated. So, and now we have to wait on the 4-hourly chart for a new divergence to evolve on the chart here. So obviously also this falling wedge pattern is invalidated as we got here now a further move to the downside to the $39,000 level. So when we are having a look on the EMA ribbon, so then we can also clearly see here that Bitcoin is right now on the 4-hourly chart in a downtrend since we flipped here bearish on the EMA ribbon. As long as the price action cannot move here above the ribbon again, we will stay in this downtrend. So the most likely scenario, in my opinion, on the 4-hourly chart, what we could see is that the price comes up to test here the ribbon again at $41,700 approximately. So, and most likely we will get rejected from there and move here one more time to the downside, and then Wing out, and then actually move here to the upside. On the 15 minutes chart, we are getting right now, so here you can clearly see this, that we got here already this W pattern, and that's why the Bitcoin price broke the neckline and moved here a little bit higher. So when we are looking now for the technical target of this W pattern, then we can see that we should get around to around $40,600. And from there we have then to reassess the situation. But right now I have to admit it is not looking good. So, and now I want to talk about the levels on the daily chart that will give us a hint if we will actually move lower or not. So, and for that I want to point out that the bullish hidden divergence is still intact on the daily chart, at least, because we have here still that higher low, and here the lower low in the RSI, and here we have the higher low trajectory that is still intact. So, and we are staying here in this green support area for now, which is also obviously a bullish indication. So, but if we lose here our upward sloping support line, then the next line of support would be this downwards trending now also support line of this broadening descending wedge that we have here, so at $38,000. But I believe we will not stop there. I believe if we break this upward sloping support line here, that the price will break here to the downside to a much more critical level. So, and that will be on this daily chart. So, and for this I will show you the VPVR, because there we can clearly see this level. So here, this red line is the line in the sand right now for the Bitcoin price here, this specific red line. So if the Bitcoin price moves here to this specific red line here on the VPVR, then we are in deep trouble. So, and you can see this is lining up also with this descending broadening wedge here. So if we break this, then Bitcoin will go into a free fall, and in my opinion, we will then most likely go all the way down 32,300, 32,900, $32,500 in that kind of range. We will then drop here to the downside. So, and that will be definitely the lowest point that we will see for Bitcoin in the next years, in my opinion. So because the point of control on the VPVR is right now sitting at $38,000. So, and if we lose the point of control, then the bears are 100% on the macro structure, also 100% back, and will push the price into much lower levels. So for now, we are still above this, so that can overcautiously positive sign right now, but we have to see in the next coming days ahead what the Bitcoin price is doing, because nobody can actually know what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So, but the signs pointing to that we could still get here to around $37,000 in the Bitcoin price before we see here Bitcoin 100% reversing back to the upside and Wing out and going here to the upside. Personally, I'm waiting for W on the daily chart or on the 4-hourly chart to get here back into a long position, and until then I'm staying away and on the sidelines. I'm not scalping, I'm not day trading, I'm waiting here on the sidelines. But guys, if you want to trade in the meantime altcoins, then you should definitely take advantage of my paid signals group. So here with this specific link, you get directly in touch with my staff. They can hook you up with my signals. We do signals every day, no matter if the market is up or down, because we can make every day money in the market on altcoins. So definitely check this out. Guys, that's it already for today's episode here. Thank you so much once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and watch my BYBIT video right now, right here, and I will see you tomorrow.